houses, they are designed or they are made to last for a certain period of time. So you have to look just like you do repair and maintenance for your car, for your bike, and for your precious items. You should also take care of your home. So I want just to share with you 6 things that you need to look out to ensure that your home is in good shape. So 1, every morning or maybe monthly, depending on the prevailing weather conditions, you should be going around your house. Just look at, we call it the skirting. Skirting is just between the ground. The first 2, the first 2 courses of the stone, or we can just say half a meter from the ground. Let me just say half a meter from the ground. Go around through your house, look half a meter from the ground. If there is any moisture, if you see that area within the half meter is damp, then that is a cause of concern. It means there is moisture that is penetrating from the ground through your foundation, and this is very dangerous. So if it's a high-rise structure, then the people should be very worried that your foundation is starting to give in. So foundation is very important. Periodically, you need to inspect. Just going around the house is a very simple thing to make sure that there is no moisture. Otherwise, utakiona cha mtema kuni. The second thing that you need to look out after is your roof. The design life of the roof is 15 to 30 years. So you should have a checklist. Don't wait until you start seeing leakages. So you should always have somebody, maybe after 6 months, they just climb your roof and they look out for some crevices, some holes. So normally what they use, if they find out that there are some holes there, normally what they use is bitumen. They can use black bitumen. They can seal. You can use that black bitumen to seal, and then you will avoid the problem of your home leaking. The third thing is water. So there's a lot of rain. Even now in May, there's a lot of rain that is happening across the world. The other day in Kasarani, I think the whole of Kasarani was submerged in water. Oh, the drainage. I don't know who does the drainage of Nairobi. But anyway, the drainage is pathetic. So you don't want to be caught up in this situation in your house where storm water is flowing through your house. So what you need to do is, first of all, from leaking pipes to poor drainage, water causes mold, wood rot, or even foundational damage. Know where your main shut-off valve is and ensure your gutters grading move water away from the house. So drainage of stormwater is very, very important. If you know you're living near a river or near a place where water is likely to flood, then you need to do what is called cut-off drains. You need to dig what we call cut-off drains. Then these cut-off drains always make sure that your area is not flooded. The fourth thing that you need to look out is electrical panels, your electrical setup. This is very important. Unless you want to know 1,000 ways to die in a house is through electrical shock. So old or overloaded electrical systems are fire hazard. If your home is older than 25 years and has never had an upgrade, get a licensed electrician to assess it. Also, the guys that have the overhead shower, if it's not well earthed, then you're likely to suffer from electrical shock. And this has been a major cause of deaths for people. You just find somebody has died in the bathroom. What is the reason? Just shock, electrical shock. So periodically, these things, the earth wire, I think it gives in or something like that. So periodically, you need to call an electrical engineer or an electrical, a licensed electrical practitioner to just come and look at your house and make sure that everything is in order. The fifth one, insulation and ventilation affect more than comfort. Let me take that one again. Poor insulation and ventilation can increase your energy bills, create moisture issues, and affect air quality. Proper attic and crawl space ventilation helps preserve structural materials too. So basically, this item is about ventilation. Ventilation is very important. If your house is not well ventilated, then you're likely to use a lot of energy to warm up during cold season, and during warm weather, again, you are likely to use the AC for a longer period of the time you are in the house, and this just translates to energy, and it's going to cost you a lot. And then the sixth one, and this touches on your security. Make sure your alarm bells, they are in good order, because you never know when the thieves are coming to ambush you. So the sirens is very important as far as emergency response is concerned. So small issues snowball fast. Create a seasonal maintenance checklist. Clean gutters, service HVAC systems, check for pests, and inspect plumbing. A little prevention goes a long way. So thank you very much. If it's your first time to be in this space, in this channel, please subscribe. It's very important to reach out a bigger audience and share this information. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.